Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I'm back here again. I'm Megha Dayani. I'm going to teach you a new chapter today, that is chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. But before starting the chapter, let us follow the routine that we used to do in our class. Join your hands, close your eyes and chant your mantra. You can chant Om Bhurrbhuva Swaha for 3 times. Don't sit idle. Join your hands and chant the mantra quickly. Okay, come back. Let us start the chapter Fiber to Fabric. Before starting the chapter, as we always do, let us understand the meaning of the name Fiber to Fabric. There are 2 words, fiber and fabric. I guess you all would be very clear about the word fabric. Fabric का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, a piece of a cloth. Fabric मतलब cloth. What is fabric? It is one type of cloth only. Another name for cloth we can say a fabric. There could be different kind of fabrics. Cotton, wool, silk. Whenever you go to purchase cloth, when you go to any shop to buy cloth, you always check the fabric first ना. मटेरियल कैसा है वैसे चेक करते हो ना आप लोग. कोई भी कपड़ा खरीदने जाओ तो वो उसका हो गया फैब्रिक. उससे उसका टेक्सचर पता चले. Yes, fabric. I guess you all are very clear what is fabric. Now what you are supposed to do to understand the meaning of the fiber, take any fabric, okay, or whatever you are wearing also, no, right now, just observe that. If you observe it very clearly, you would see something like this. Threads are interconnected inside to make a fabric. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to just pull this one thread from that particular piece of a fabric. Don't waste the material which you use it daily. If you have any waste material, then only do this, else do not do this. Just start pulling out the strands or the thread from this fabric. What you have to do after pulling, no, एक हाथ से ऐसे पकड़ लो और दूसरे हाथ के थंब से उसको ऐसे दबाओ तो क्या होगा, वो एक कोने से ऐसे अलग हो जाएंगे. That means what? These small thread which we have pulled out from the fabric is also made by twisting threads which are even thinner than that. Yes, तो यहाँ पे हमने 3 चीजें सीखी. इन तीनों का अलग अलग नाम है. देखो वापस चलो. What is this? Fabric. From this fabric you are pulling out threads. What are these threads? These threads are called yarn. Y-A-R-N, yarn. Plural, yarns. पीछे S. These yarns are made by twisting the fibers. Fibers का क्या करना है? छोटे छोटे fibers, thin, एकदम thin strand, मतलब के fiber उनको twist कर देना है. मतलब क्या बन जाएगा? yarn. यान से क्या बन जाएगा? यान वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टली कनेक्ट करके क्या बनेगा? फैब्रिक. क्लियर? तो फाइबर में से क्या बनेगा? यान. यान में से क्या बनेगा? फैब्रिक. सी, फ्रॉम फाइबर्स यू कैन प्रिपेयर yarn and from yarn you can prepare fabric. Now depending on which kind of fiber you are using, that kind of fabric it would be made. I guess now you all are clear about the heading on the details that we are going to learn in this chapter. Yes, fiber and fabric. Clear? What activity you have to do at home? You have to collect different materials, or just go and check different materials in the cupboard and then identify the material of each and every cloth. Okay, some would be silky, some would be cotton, some would be wool, some would be acrylic, some would be nylon. Just identify them. Okay. Now come back to the fibers. नाम हमने सीख लिया. अभी पहले से शुरू करें. Fibers. Fibers are of 2 types basically. Okay, that are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. 2 टाइप के fibers होते हैं. कौन से? Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. But here we are going to learn natural fibers first. So natural fibers are further divided into two types, that is animal fibers and plant fibers. Clear? Natural fibers किसको बोलते हैं? जो naturally obtain होंगे. Yes. तो naturally तो हम किन में से obtain कर सकते हैं? From plants and from animals. Clear? So the fibers that are obtained from plants are plant fibers, and the fibers that are obtained from animals are animal fibers. So the fibers which are obtained naturally from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Plant fibers, cotton and jute, these are the example of plant fibers. Cotton fibers we can obtain from cotton plant, jute fiber we can obtain from jute plant. How we can obtain from cotton plant and jute plant, that we will learn in the next session. In the second part of the video, I will teach you how we can obtain fibers from cotton plant and from jute plant. Next comes animal fibers. Best example, hair of sheep, from that we can obtain wool. This is a natural fiber. Silk we can obtain from the cocoon of the silkworm. These are natural fibers which are obtained from animals. Animal fibers are also obtained from the hair of rabbit, yak and camel also. Clear? Now see, for thousands of years, natural fibers were only once available for making fabrics. But in the last 100 years or so, fibers are also made from chemical substances which are not obtained from plant or animal sources, and those are synthetic fibers. Clear? These are chemically prepared in the lab using petroleum, some plastics. Yes, so those are synthetic fibers. So there are two fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Natural fibers are further divided into two types, plant fiber and animal fibers. Synthetic fibers are prepared chemically. Yes, and some of the examples of synthetic fibers I can tell you, they are polyester, nylon, acrylic. Yes, I guess this much you have understood. Let us quickly revise what all we have learned today. We understood the meaning of fiber, fabric and yarn. Yes. And then we understood natural fibers and synthetic fibers in detail. And more about those details we will do in the next session. Yes. What we will do in the next session? We will learn how plant fibers are obtained from the plants. Fabrics are made from yarns, which in turn are made from fibers. Fibers are either natural or synthetic. Cotton, wool, silk and jute are some natural fibers, while nylon and polyester are some examples of synthetic fibers. Fibers like cotton and jute are obtained from plants. How these are obtained, that we will do in next session. For today, this much is enough. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, learn well, eat well. Thank you so much.